What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So this is the Magic-Refiner. First I wanna put the downside is that it do not have a USB-C and the build quality is a little bit shady. I do not like the build quality. I do not like the build quality of key, the build quality, this circle. I don't like it. The good thing is I have a volume knob, but I cannot control fully the light if I connect it with the iPad, you see. So as you can see, I can just change the intensity of the light. Can you see or not? But I cannot make it full. I'm not that satisfied with the keyboard. For gaming it's amazing, you can just game, but for gaming it's amazing. There's something not good about this keyboard. I don't know what to say. Okay, and I want to show you overall I give like 5 out of 10. I want to show you this one do not have a USB-C. Even I order USB-C. Let me just show you. As you can see, the keyboard have a micro USB. I don't know why in the bottom it's very confusing keyboard. As you can see, here is using the brown switches. As you can see, here is using the blue switches. Can I feel? Okay, something is not right. Can you see or not? Here you can see the brown switches and here you see the blue switches. Can you see or not? Yeah. Okay, from here something is not right. Let me just turn off the light and see. Yeah, let me just make it big. Can you see or not? Here is using the blue switches. Something is not right about this keyboard. I don't know how to put. Okay, this was the keyboard. Okay, let's see. RGB wireless multi-connection keyboard, right? But I cannot make it fully illuminated. I don't know, something was right. So anyway, 5 out of 10. I don't know what to say. All the typing feeling is quite loud, as you can see, compared to a regular keyboard. So yeah, overall I'm quite happy with it. I'm quite happy from the typing aspect, but otherwise the key quality is quite cheap. I don't like the feel or the key, but for gaming is fine. It's an expensive keyboard. I like the knob for volume a lot. Maybe 5 out of 10. You need to be the judge. I don't know what to say else. It's an average mediocre keyboard. That's all I can say. I will tell you what to do next because. So yeah, it was me Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.